Hi everyone, my name is Farooq Rashid, and in today's video I will be guiding you all on how did I score 97.4% in my class 10 board exams being an ICSE student. Well, scoring well in board exams is really tough. I know these exams are easy as compared to the competitive exams, but scoring to the top percentages, I mean like above 95%, is not a cup of tea. I remember like 4 years back when I was preparing for my board exams, it was a lot of hard work. I was studying consistently, not hanging out with my friends, not going to attend parties and functions with my families, and just studying all the time. Many people might say that you can still score better and you don't need to put in so much effort and you will still get good percentages. But if you want to score to the top highest level, then definitely you must do something different as compared to the other students. So in today's video, I will be guiding you all what did I learn from my journey, how did I score this much marks, and what did I learn from my seniors and in my juniors what they lack behind. Like why do they don't score just so much good marks? So without further delay, let's get started. So the first thing which I want you to understand very clearly is to have an aim. I still remember we were sitting in our physics class and our teacher asked us, आप में से कितने बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो चाहते हैं कि उनके 90 above marks आएं? And we were like not raising our hands really because it would make us feel a little overconfident. But our teacher told us, like, why don't you just raise your hands? Are you not interested in scoring well? She told us one thing, कि if you don't raise your hands today means you're not ready to achieve that greatness. And this was the time when the entire class raised their hands and told the teacher that yes, we want to score better. I want to tell you, just listen to your teachers. Our physics teacher also told us that have an aim. And that was the very day when I wrote it on the paper, my aim. And I know it was too huge. I wanted to score 99% in class 10th exams. But at present, I did not score 99. But I feel 97 is not even less. 2 digits don't make any difference. But I want to teach you over here that it is the aim that made me work hard. It was the aim that made me realize each day that I have to do something better. Besides this, I also remember that on the same page, I had written some quotations. Like when board exams were very near, I have written over there, don't even dare to give up when you're so close to the victory. Because I remember that at that time, I was not able to study hard. I was not able to put that extra hour into my study, and each time when such a situation used to come, I used to motivate up myself using YouTube videos, using educational content. At that time, obviously it was Sandeep Maheshwari and other thoughts on Google, and that helped me do much better. So have an aim. Now the next part which comes is that how should you work? The way you should put in your effort so that you score well, which makes a difference. So understand the first key thing over here is do your work daily. Yes, I mean what I say. If you practice daily, if you do your work regularly, then never ever you're going to lag behind. If you do what a teacher has taught you in today's lecture right away, then you are going to remember it till the end. And there is not even a single chance or a single probability that you will score less. Besides this, what you should do is that take a sheet of paper, assign yourself goals. Like if I'm going to study today, these topics I'm going to cover. Like as I remember, we had chapters like light and electricity. Right over there, that today I will cover chapter light. Okay, if a chapter is very long, You cannot complete the entire chapter, no problem, don't take any stress. Mention the topics, I will complete A section, I will complete B section. Just write it down on a paper. There's a psychology behind this. When you write something down on a paper, it gets reflected back in your mind each time. Whenever you're wasting time on scrolling Instagram reels or watching YouTube videos, your mind gives you a message that you have written that on paper and you need to complete that any way possible. That is why it is so very important to mention things on a paper so that you can consistently remind yourself of what you have to do, of the pending work that you have to complete. So just go away daily, make it a habit. Before sleeping or once you get up in the morning, write on a piece of paper what you're going to complete in a present day. And just tick mark those things which you complete at the end of the day. And maybe during the first initial days, you're not able to complete things. Maybe out of 5 things, you just do 1 and the rest 4 things are not ticked. When you're going to see this unticked things for so many long days, right, you're definitely going to push yourself and feel ashamed, like it was yesterday also I didn't do it, it was day before also I didn't do it, today I will definitely have to do it. And if you do like this, you are definitely going to score better. Another thing, I was a non-coaching student. I never took tuitions because my mother very clearly told me one thing, that you will never ever need tuition in your life if you understand what is taught in school completely. If a teacher is giving you a lecture, take in the entire knowledge. Don't waste time talking to a friend or asking doubts to him or her. Just listen to the teacher. And if you have doubts, do not hesitate. I've seen a lot of students not going to their teachers, not asking them their doubts, not clearing them, because of which they do not score better. Don't hesitate to go to your teachers. It will help you improve your poor concepts. It will give you tricks to improve your weaknesses. Don't ever sit aside and wait for the time to come or think that you will see on the YouTube videos. One biggest mistake that students do in their entire school journey is that when they go to tuitions, they have very clear in their mind that even if you're not able to understand in school, we will go and understand it from tuitions, because of which they lag behind. If you understand in school, you don't need tuitions. Tuitions are just a lack of mindset in minds of those students who are not ready to work hard in schools. The next part is some tricks, or maybe you can say some mistakes that I did or things that I would want to do in a better way, but I never knew that it would make so much big difference. So first of all, the first thing is, do not waste so much time in making projects. Well, being an ICSE student, you are burdened with making so many projects, English, mathematics, sciences and other things, and yes, the practical files as well. Do not waste much time. Just complete it as fast as possible. Do not waste time in decorating them, in decorating the cover pages, highlighting them. I remember that when I was in class 10th, I spent an entire 1 month on making just 4 files, because of which I was not able to cover up my syllabus, and later I realized at the end of the session that there was no need of doing it. Even the teachers have never checked them carefully, they just tick mark them randomly. So don't waste your time on this thing. The second thing is, when you are done with your syllabus in school, complete your syllabus at least 2 months before the board exams. Like if you have your board exams in February, then by the end of November, you should be over with your syllabus. I do not mean the revisions, I mean just the syllabus. You should be clarified with the concepts, basic understanding of your chapters, clear with your syllabus. Even if you have not done revisions, it's okay, don't worry. You can do it in the next 2 months. But remember, if you are able to do this thing, then definitely no one can ever stop you from scoring better. Just focus on completing your syllabus in December. Then you have 2 more months to do a whole lot of great revisions. And definitely you will score better. Then comes the part of how to improve your grades. The best way to improve your grades is to learn from your mistakes in your pre-board exams. Most schools conduct 2 pre-board exams for class 10 standard. So what you can do is, you can improve in both of these pre-boards. Think you have two chances to learn where you lag behind, to understand which concepts of yours are weaker. And if you are able to find out or pinpoint your mistakes, then definitely you're going to score better. If you're not good in particular topic of mathematics, practice it. If you lag behind in particular topic of physics, go practice it. If you have scored less in particular subject, go do it every day and become perfect in that subject. The last advice I want to give you all, that you must be prepared with your board exams so accurately that even if you do not get a chance to revise them before the exams, you can still score 100%. Remember, if you do a revision of this level, then definitely you are going to be the student who is going to score above 95%. Just you need to be consistent, you need to be hardworking. Everyone has an aim of scoring good marks in board exams, but at the end of the year, no one actually does. And of course, the credit goes to the social media. I know most of you watching my video at present must have scrolled a lot of Instagram reels. I'm sure that most of you who are watching my video at present must have been spending a lot of time on watching YouTube shorts. Well, if you are doing this thing today, remember, you are taking yourself in the wrong direction. Watching one reel or one Instagram short at present is going to make you addicted throughout your life. You are just in class 10th, just so small that you have not even worked hard as we have already done in our class 12th or in our colleges. If you're getting distracted by these random things at this younger age, then just think of how bad are you going to perform at your colleges. You need to be aware of your shortcomings. You might be addicted, but you need to take your responsibility and get rid of these social evils. Just delete your accounts. You need to understand that you need to be different in order to achieve different marks. Not everyone scores 99, not everyone scores 98 or 97, but the ones who actually do are actually different from the rest of the crowd. And if you want to score these marks, then develop a personality trait in yourself that sets you apart from the rest of the students in your class. Remember, success is not easy. It's full of late night hard works, skipping TV shows, turning off Wi-Fi's, boycotting social media handles, and whatnot. But the sacrifices you make today will definitely make sense in future. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.